Every so often, I get a call from somebody who just lost a parent and they want to know what they're going to do with their family property. That's a tough spot. It's emotional. Sometimes people aren't even in the same state. And usually there's a legal problem that no one even told them about. If the home was solely owned in their name only, not in a trust, not in joint tenancy, then it's almost definitely going to be going to probate. That's just California law. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what probate is, when it applies, and what you need to be prepared for before you do anything else. Hi, I'm Eric Mann. I'm a broker here in San Diego. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to simplify the probate process for you. Most people don't wake up thinking about probate. It usually happens because someone passed away and now they need to figure out what are they going to do. But unfortunately, this is when you need to make some really big decisions. These are the exact steps I would advise a client in this process. Typically, the first problem is people don't even know if they need probate. When I first talk to somebody, they usually say, well, they left it to me. Isn't it mine? It depends, not necessarily. So one of the first things we need to determine is how's the property titled? Because in California, not every property automatically goes through probate. Sometimes the property is held in a trust. Sometimes it transfers through joint ownership. Sometimes there are other estate planning tools in place. And sometimes probate is absolutely required. The first lesson, before you worry about selling the house, you need to find out if probate is even necessary. The second thing you need to know is the bills, they're all still due. They keep coming. The mortgage still has to be paid. Property taxes still exist, insurance exists, utilities. Heck, you might even still need to get the grass cut. All of these things need to keep happening while you're figuring out what to do with the home. And the longer the process takes, the more expensive it becomes. Sometimes, if the person was using, say, a pension or a Social Security to be paying these bills, well, that stops. So now who's going to be paying all of these bills? Where's the money coming from? A third issue that needs to be covered: what happens if there's multiple heirs that are involved? The case may be that there's multiple family members involved, and that's where things can get complicated. One person wants to keep the property, another wants to sell immediately, someone else thought it should become a rental. None of those options are wrong because everybody has a specific goal. This is one of the biggest reasons probate situations become stressful. It's not usually about the house. It's trying to get everyone to agree on what should happen next. So what's the solution? What should they do? Well, generally, here's the advice I give. Step 1, determine whether probate is required. Step 2, find out exactly what the property is worth. Step 3, understand all debts, liens, mortgages, and expenses attached to the property. Step 4, figure out what the heirs actually want. Step 5, evaluate the options. Because once you have all these facts, there's really only 3 options: keep it, rent it, or sell it. This is not an easy situation. If you have questions with this or any other real estate transaction, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.